In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Outlook account without phone number. We'll walk through several built-in options from Microsoft so you can get back in without relying on a text message. Start at the Microsoft sign-in page and enter your email address as usual. When you're prompted for verification, don't choose the phone option. Instead, select I don't have any of these or use a different verification option. From there, pick your alternate recovery email. Microsoft will send a one-time verification code to that address. Open that inbox, check spam or junk if you don't see it right away, and keep in mind the code expires, so use it promptly. Enter the code back on the sign-in page, then you'll be guided to reset your password, which unlocks your account. Create a strong new password you haven't used before, and add a recovery email so you have an easy fallback next time. If you previously set up Windows Hello, a security key, or link a GitHub account, you can use those to sign in instead of a phone number. On the login page, click Sign In Options. Choose the method you've already configured, such as GitHub, face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, or a security key. Follow the prompts on screen and on your device to complete the sign-in. If you have the Microsoft Authenticator app set up, you can also bypass phone number verification. Select face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, or security key, then choose iPhone or iPad or Android device to scan the QR code if prompted. Open the Authenticator app, scan the code, and approve the sign-in request on your device. This confirms it's really you without needing a text. If none of those are available, complete the account recovery flow. Navigate to the Microsoft account recovery page and provide your email address. Microsoft will send you a code, enter it to move forward, then reset your password so you can sign in without a phone number. If you still can't verify, submit the recovery form on that same page. Select I don't have any of these and provide details that only you would know, like recent contacts you've emailed, purchase history tied to the account, or information about when you created the account. Be as accurate as possible. Microsoft typically reviews submissions within about 24 hours and will email you with next steps, so avoid resubmitting while you wait. Once you're allowed to reset, create a strong new password and add a recovery email to make future access easier. That's it. Follow the option that fits your setup, and you'll be back into your Outlook account without needing a phone number. Thanks for watching.